Hey everyone, welcome back to another bit part of my RPG tutorial. In this episode, we're going to be adding a game feed. This will include messages from the game alongside player chat. Just go File, New Scene, Empty. Let's drag our player in. Let's activate the main camera and all of our canvases so we've got a rough idea of what we're working with. Then let's go right click on our player, UI, canvas. Then let's go right click, UI, legacy, input field. Let's anchor it to the bottom left hand side of the screen. And let's make the width 400. Position to 200. And put it, say, 15 on the wire. Then let's go canvas, UI, legacy button. Gonna anchor to the bottom left, put a 15. Let's say 100 in width. I'm gonna put it 450. Then we're gonna click send, and in brackets enter. Then we're gonna go right click, UI, panel, center at the bottom left, make the width 500 and the height 90, drag over to 250, and I'm going to put this here. Alright guys, now let's give it some colour. Change the text to what we want. Bold italic. Change the input field. And we're going to change the panel. Alright, now on the panel, we're going to add a vertical layout group. Change the height, put the width, spacing minus 17.5. Anchor to the upper left, and that's all we need. And then we're going to add a mask. Alright guys, now we see if you create a UI legacy text element, it'll be all snug up here in the corner. You can go message 1. We've got message 2. We make it the first child, it'll then spawn up here, which will work beautifully. And that's basically how we're going to make our chat box and game feed. Alright, so we're going to rename this message feed prefab. I'm going to core prefabs. I'm going to drag that into there. We're going to delete it. We're going to apply the player. Then we're going to, in our scripts, go right click, C# script, call it feed. In our canvas, we're going to call this feed canvas. Once again, apply the prefab. Drag our feed script onto our player. We can go ahead and open our feed script in Microsoft Visual Studio or whatever scripting thing we're using. So let's go using UniEngine.ui. Public void game message. We're going to go using photon.pun. There we go. Pun RPC. Public void. Chat message. We're going to go string message string user. Right, so we go public text username so we go public text message text actually no, we'll come back to Unity. Alright, first off, let's go public input field chat if stands for input field, and void update, let's go chat if dot activate input field. Let's go if input dot get key down key code dot return. Or should that be enter? No, definitely return. It was a good get key down key code dot return. And get component RPC. Get component photon view RPC chat message RPC target dot all chativ dot text photon network dot nickname. Actually, we'll get to doing that. We'll just go Bob at the moment. So chat message. So we need to go public transform feed prefab. And we're going to go public transform feed panel. We're going to go instantiate feed prefab. That's actually going to have to be a game object. Instantiate feed prefab. Feed panel dot position. Feed panel dot rotation. Alright, cool. So we're gonna go game object FB equals, then we'll go FB dot transform dot parent equals feed panel dot transform, and Facebook dot transform dot set sibling index 0. And now we're going to just go ahead and copy, paste that in here. Not done yet. Let's go fb dot get component text dot text equals user plus, give it a space and a couple dots, plus message. And chat dot text does not equal nothing. Get rid of that. String message. And here we'll go and we'll make it just equal message. So for testing purposes, we'll go if input the get key down key code dot q then RPC. No, we don't have to do it. We can just go game message test message. Alright, that's looking good. So let's come back. Sign our input field. A feed prefab. And our feed panel. Alright, now we can apply the player. And let's go ahead and test that out. I'll get some builds up running and I'll be back in a sec. Alright, we're up and running. So let's go ahead and go world 1, create world. Just minimize that, join. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and click Q. That appears to be working, so let's click enter. Bob QQQQ. And that is 100% working. Let's go. Alright, so now let's go ahead and add a few things. Let's go int message type. Message type. Let's go if message type equals 0. FB, get component. Dot color equals white. Color dot white. Message type equals 1. Then color dot. Is it orange? Nah. Got magenta. Message type 2, got color dot cyan. Message type 3, color dot yellow. Let's go text message 0. Kiko.alpha1. Two, alpha 3, look at 2 and cyan. It's doing that weird thing where it replaces the text again, which is just great. So that's supposed to be 3. Mesh equals 3. Set 3, cyan. And alpha 4. Test message yellow. 3. Alright, so did we 2 seconds. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and come to our auth script. Let's go photon. I don't think we have it in the script. Yeah, so let's go using photon dot pun. You want to use logged in? Let's go photon network dot nickname equals auth dot current user dot display name. Copy that. I'm just going to put it down here. Now we can come back to our feed script. And change this to photon network dot nickname. Alright, let's make a fresh build of that, and I shall see when I got a build up. Alright, so we're up here, we've got the Unity build going, we've got 2 builds. Let's make one the host. World 1, create world. We can get rid of that. Let's join on our clients. Looks a bit better without the checkered background, but anyways, let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the game messages are working perfectly. Not a problem. Right, we've got to deactivate our camera and all our canvases, so that we got a little glitch happening. But that's all good. That's easily fixable. Actually, we're going to have to fix that before we do the testing because it's going to interfere with it too much. So let's go ahead and grab our player. It will deactivate the equip canvas, skills canvas, X, and include the XP canvas. And the feed canvas. So let's delete that. Apply it. Then on the networking, on our networking script, let's go public the object feed canvas. And let's go feed canvas dot set active true. Come back to Unity. Also deactivate our main camera. And go player. And assign our feed canvas. Alright, gorgeous. Apply that. Delete our player. And I'll get some builds up and I shall be back in a second. Alright, let's go. World 1. Create. Get rid of that. Join on here. Join on here. Now I got movement back, whatnot. And we can start typing. So let's go ahead and go. Hi, player X. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oops. So that works. X can see that. Let's come over here and go hi. And that goes Z. So it's working so far, sort of. Except we can't see each other's messages, which is a shame. So I'll be back in a second. Alright, so after a lot of work, so I can get to spawn, but only in the other players' feed panel. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come to our world scene. And we're gonna get our player. And on our manager script, I'm gonna copy the feed component. I'm gonna paste it in here. We're gonna unpack our play prefab. We're gonna drag the feed canvas onto the manager. We're going to delete the player prefabs. We're going to put the new prefab in. We're going to delete the field script. We're going to apply it. Then we can go to our networking script. Take off feed canvas. Alright, so as I delete the prefab, Unity crashed, so I no longer actually have the UI. So I'm quickly going to remake that, and I shall be back in a second. Alright, so I've got the UI back. So on our manager script, let's add all this. A feed prefab. Our feed panel. Then under our manager script, go public game object feed canvas. Go if get component photon view dot is mine. Feed canvas dot set active true. And our manager, let's go photon view. We can turn off our feed canvas. And while we're here, let's go to our feed script. And let's go chat if.text equals none, which will delete the message after we send it. And I shall get some builds up and I shall be back. Alright. Let's come in here. Oops, we need to come to our manager and apply the feed canvas. Alright, I'll make some builds and I'll be back. Alright, and we're back. And so we've got the text up over there, but not over here, which is not what we wanted. Sorry it's such a long episode, it's just taking a bit to get there. Alright, so what I did was I just activated the feed object and it doesn't seem to interact with the other ones. So there's no need for in the manager script get component is mine, feed canvas will set to true, just leave the canvas to true. And now we're on this one, number X. X says hi. Go to the other client, and you can see X says hi. Y says hi, and you can see it updates. Gorgeous, guys. That's the chat box done in the game feeds. We got game messages, and we've got chat. Gorgeous. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Sorry it was such a long one, but we got there in the end. Please subscribe for more content if you haven't. It means a lot to me, and I shall see you in the next episode. Bye.